Happy holidays! Santa here from the North Pole. I'm taking a quick break from my holiday preparations, sorting through toys and gifts, because I wanted to brighten your day with some fun and entertainment from one of my dear friends, Sarah Simington. Chef Sarah owns the Blue Moon Cafe and the Blue Moon 2 in Baltimore, Maryland. Sarah is best known for her breakfast, especially French toast. Well, I don't know about you, but I am getting hungry. I'm going to pass it over to my friend Chef Sarah, who will be showing us how to make Captain Crunch French toast. Take it away, Sarah.
Hi guys, thanks Santa. Are you guys ready to make some Captain Crunch French toast? I don't know about you, but Captain Crunch cereal was my favorite growing up. Ta-da! Well, we are going to take this and we are going to turn it into this. Are you ready? Look at that art. Woohoo! First thing you want to start off with, obviously, is the Captain Crunch cereal. Open your box. Ta-da! Oh, hey! Woo! All right, hey, that's good. Now with the Captain, you are going to want to either put it in the food processor and grind it up, or you can use a rolling pin and get it crushed up, or you can throw it on the ground, like this, and stomp on it. I find that to be the most fun, as long as it turns out looking like this. Perfection. All right, step one. Step two, we are going to make a custard. Instead of a French toast batter, we call ours a custard because we use heavy cream. Heavy cream sits on the bread thicker so that it will hold the Captain on it instead of it getting soggy and mushy. That's kind of like one of our secret ingredients. Now I'm going to read off from the recipe as well because, well, it's kind of hard for me to just make it. I kind of use my imagination whenever I cook, but I want to follow the same recipe you guys are following that I wrote for you. So we are going to start with eggs. Then we have heavy cream. We have sugar. We have vanilla. We have cinnamon. Now, a little secret, I like to add a little nutmeg, especially during the seasons. It's absolutely perfect, a little spicy. I love the way it smells. All right, so I guess we're gonna make the custard. Let's start with some eggs. A little one-handed action. Hey! Okay, great. Not like that, okay, guys? One more egg. We're gonna do 4 eggs altogether. This is probably gonna make about, I don't know, anywhere between 8 to 12 pieces, depending on how thick you want it. And how many pieces of French toast you want, or if you're gonna share it, or if it's all yours. Then we have a cup of heavy cream. 80% milk fat. You need it to sit on the bread. Oh yeah, see that thickness? Perfect. Then we have about, let me read, hold on. 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right. Not too sweet because you're gonna put this cereal on it and you want that to kind of be the sweetness. And then we're gonna put whipped cream and we're gonna put fresh berries. Then we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then your cinnamon, it's kind of to taste. You know, a teaspoon, I like a lot. And then like I said earlier, nutmeg. Okay. Easy peasy. You're gonna wanna whip it all up so it's nice and mixed together and thick. This is a lot of fun, you guys. It's good exercise too. See the color on that? You don't want it super yellow. You don't want it to taste like egg. You want it to taste like cream. All right. Woo! Woo! That's the fun part. Okay, you ready? Now we're gonna make the French toast. You've got your Captain. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's talk oil. Now to cook the Captain Crunch French toast in, you cannot use straight butter. It will burn and get soggy. So you must either use a butter, olive oil, or vegetable oil mixture, or you must use my secret ingredient number 2, Orville Redenbacher popcorn topper. This is a butter-flavored soybean oil. I know this is not a healthy dish, y'all. That is going to caramelize the cereal on the French toast to perfection. Trust me, I know it sounds weird, but it's delicious. It's perfect, all right? So let's make 1 piece and then just get going a little bit, all right? So we're gonna put a little oil down. Nice medium temperature. Now what I'm using here, let me get this out of the way. What I'm using here is just a little griddle you can pick up at the store. You can cook it on the stove as well, in pans, but this is so much more fun. I'm actually getting my niece one of these for Christmas. She's 9 and she loves making French toast and pancakes, just like her Aunt Sarah. So obviously, this is what she's getting for Christmas. Don't tell her. All right, little butter flavored popcorn topper. We're into the custard, into the Captain. Get it nice and coated. That's why I said it could be 8 to 12, depends on how much you use. I like a lot, let's get a good crust on there. All right, we're gonna do this 3 times. Okay, oh yeah. It already smells so good. Look, we're gonna need a little more butter here. One more time, one more time. Okay. It does, it actually kind of smells like popcorn, which makes sense, doesn't it? Make sure you have a towel to, wash your hands with. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's talk about decoration, which is the art. Well, excuse me. While this is cooking and getting all golden brown, we can discuss what we're putting on top. If you've ever had Captain Crunch with crunch berries, this is kind of our play on it. We have fresh sliced bananas, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. I like to put a little apple mohawk on top. But again, it's whatever you really want. For that matter, if you like Fruity Pebbles, use Fruity Pebbles instead of Captain. Use Frosted Flakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Get in the kitchen and have fun. Don't follow a recipe. I know I'm not supposed to tell you that, but come on. Put on some music, open the cupboard, and get cooking. That's half the fun of it. That's the art. So, okay, wait, let's flip this. Come on over. 1, 2, 3, you ready? Close up. Oh, man. Delicious. Look at that. It's getting all nice and crispy and buttery. So it's gonna be a little crispy on the outside and then kind of gooey and smooth on the inside. So let's go. We're gonna do this like the magic of television. Ooh. And here we go. To decorate it. My favorite part. Now this is coming right off the grill, so it's gonna be a little warm. The best bet, in order to have the whipped cream, which is kind of like the milk, not melt and break down, you wanna lay some banana across the top. It's like the barrier. It's gonna hold it all on top. That way your presentation, which it all starts with the eyes. Here we go. Whipped cream on top of that. Oh, 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 oh. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now I have feathered some strawberries. We'll save that for another time. I'll teach you how to do that. Put those on top. Let's see. Some blueberries. Some blackberries. Ta-da! Oh, shoot. Apple mohawk. Apple mohawk. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Oh, here it is. This is a real life cooking demo, y'all. Okay. Now you know how a mohawk is cut with your hair and it kind of sticks up and it looks all funky, kind of like my tree right now. That's the idea with this. I just think it's so fun and playful. Right on top. Ta-da! All right, we are gonna finish this now with a little powdered sugar, a little cinnamon, throw on some crunchy Captain pieces. Voila! And you have the Captain Crunch French toast. World famous. Thanks, I'm Sarah Simington, owner of Blue Moon Cafe. I hope to see you guys again, and happy holidays. Thank you for everything, and back to you, Santa.
Oh, Sarah, my mouth is watering. That looks delicious. I just hope Mrs. Claus took good notes. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And remember, be good, and I'll see you very soon. Happy holidays! Happy holidays!
The holidays are here, they're gonna spread a little cheer to all of those serving around the world. Whether you're a sailor or Marine or a serving family. Let's celebrate with Dot and Dash. Let's celebrate with Dot and